Hello and welcome. This here is the AOC Q3279VWFD8. That's right, it's super easy to remember. Congrats to whoever or whatever came up with the name. Time to open her up. Kids, when unboxing, if you're done with the sharp blade, remember to safely put it away. Let's see what we've got here. A power cable. Yes, that's a bloody VGA cord. What a waste of resources. And this here is HDMI. Basic instructions in 5,000 languages. The base. Very nice brushed aluminium look. Cat, it's not your time to shine yet. Now, the main attraction. Yes, that's pretty big. Looks simple and effective enough. This monitor doesn't have built-in speakers, which I think is a good move as those are almost universally of poor quality and no self-respecting gamer should use them. You do get an audio out, so you can plug in your headphones or speakers, in case you decide to pass your audio through your video cards, DisplayPort or HDMI. This is more difficult than I expected. I'm starting to feel inadequate. I can do this all day. From the looks of it, you should be able to just use your fingers, but in practice, this calls for a screwdriver. Yep, I'm sure that's in frame and you guys can see everything. Not bad at all. Nice incline backwards, I'd say 21 to 22 degrees. Nope, it doesn't incline forward at all. DisplayPort and HDMI are present, as well as DVI and the archaic and unnecessary VGA. For size comparison, here's my setup with a 27-inch Qnix. And here's the 32-inch monstrosity. The Q3279VWFD8 is a 1440p 75Hz FreeSync monitor. It uses an IPS panel, 8-bit plus FRC, which lets you run glorious 10-bit color in Windows. The response time is 5 milliseconds, which doesn't sound like top of the line, but coupled with the extremely low input lag of this screen makes for a great gaming experience. If you're coming from a 60Hz screen, the 15 extra frames per second will also make a solid difference. If you're a GeForce user, then bollocks for you in terms of variable refresh rate, as Nvidia doesn't care for open standards and prefers that you keep selling your kidneys to get that extra cash you need for G-Sync. Some might ask, is 32-inch too large for 1440p? I wouldn't say so, as it's about the same pixel size as a 1080p on a 24-inch screen. However, to maximize your viewing experience, stay at least 2 feet away from the screen. In terms of image quality, the screen comes well calibrated, though you can always play around and improve it further. Backlight bleeding is not too pronounced, and you will not notice it unless you're looking for it in a dark room on a black background. Color uniformity is excellent. The manufacturer offers a lot of presets and predefined game modes and enhancements, almost all of which I proceeded to make sure are turned off, as any sane gamer would. It still boggles my mind how some TV and monitor manufacturers believe that it's a good idea to ship with predefined racing, RTS, shooter and other such nonsensical color and contrast profiles. Do they think they know better than the game creators and the gamers themselves? It's just a meaningless checkbox feature that nobody really wants, though I have no idea why I'm getting so annoyed by it. Probably because they could have spent their time on something better deserving. On the other hand, however, you do have the option to save your own custom presets, which is a nice ability to have. The price point is where this monitor truly shines. For a suggested retail price of $250, you're getting 1440p running 75Hz with FreeSync support, as well as flicker-free DC-controlled brightness and a bunch of other extras. What you don't get for whatever reason is a VESA-compatible mounting option. The included stand is solid and looks great, but has no vertical adjustment whatsoever. Even so, with well-rounded useful features and very good build quality, this screen absolutely murders anything else in the price range, and you'll frankly need to pay well over $400 to find anything better. The value proposition is currently unbeatable. You simply can't go wrong by picking this screen. It can handle practically everything you throw at it. Except 4K, but who cares about that? That's all for now. Subscribe if you'd like, though there's no schedule rhyme to what or when the next video will be. Cheers and thanks for watching.